Welcome! In front of me I have REALME Watch S, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First we need to open the REALME Link application on our phone. In the app we need to select our REALME Watch S from the list of devices. On this page, scroll down, tap on Delete Device, then tap on Delete. The watch should disappear from the list of devices in the app. Also, it should start resetting itself to the factory default settings. But just in case, you can also open the Bluetooth settings on your phone. In Bluetooth settings, check if there is a REALME Watch S right here on the list. If there is, you can tap on the settings icon next to it and then tap on Forget Device. But as you can see, we don't have it right here, so we can close the Bluetooth settings. And at this point, our watch is unpaired from our phone. And that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.